Welcome back to the Aluminum Channel. Our guest today, Dr. Bruno Barthelemy, Ford Motor Company's Chief Engineer of Body Closures and Structures. The legendary Ford F-150 pickup truck continues its reign as the best-selling truck for 37 consecutive years. For the 2015 model, Ford has made the game-changing move to an all-aluminum structure, body and box, coupled with a high-strength steel frame. Today we hope to hear firsthand from Ford's Chief Engineer why these bold moves were made. Dr. Barthelemy, welcome to the Aluminum Channel.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate being here.
So Ford Motor Company has had extensive experience building all aluminum passenger cars in what would be considered low volumes. Why was the decision made to build the first high-volume aluminum-intensive vehicle as a pickup truck, and why now?
Well, it's sort of a question of a customer, right? What does our customer need and wants, and not so much about using aluminum or a given material to design a vehicle, but how can we achieve the objective for our customer? And obviously, as you mentioned, the F-150 is legendary for Ford Motor Company. We have been leading the sale for 37 years, and we plan to continue that for a long time. And it was a perfect application of a vehicle in aluminum because it's all about performance, right? Not only the aluminum offers us a lighter vehicle and better fuel economy, but at the same time, the F-150 is a workhorse, and it's something that people buy to move stuff around, pull stuff around, and by using aluminum, we were capable of lightening the vehicle quite a bit. Over 700 pounds altogether, including about 450 pounds of weight savings due to the aluminum. So that was a big weight savings that will give a vehicle that's got more performance for our customer in terms of towing capability, load carrying capability, better acceleration, better handling, and better fuel economy.
Doctor, what did Ford see as the customer benefit of lightweighting the F-150 body with aluminum?
For the F-150, it's definitely the capability of the truck. It's, pickup truck and our pickup truck are used by people, in small business. They need a capable truck that are capable of moving load around and towing. But not only that, we render the vehicle, stronger. We are using high-strength aluminum alloy in our vehicle, and it is more durable and more capable of truck all around.
In the press, we're constantly hearing about aluminum body sheet enclosures. So can you tell us something about the role aluminum extrusions play in the 2015 F-150 body structure, and maybe something about Ford Motor Company's industry-leading hydroforming technology?
Yeah, one of the benefits or advantage of the aluminum material over the traditional steel is that you can get not only, for body construction in terms of sheet, but of course you can get it under casting or extrusion. And in the case of extrusion, you can design quite complicated structure. With different wall thickness, you can combine different sections together that will require multi-piece stamping. So, for example, the header, which is the structural component between the body side and at the level of the windshield. The windshield header has a multi-section, and it would be you would need about 2 or 3 components to be able to make that out of steel. Another advantage, of course, is that you can tailor the thicknesses, and you can shape it in a very strong structure. And in this case, we are also post-form heat treating it, which increases strength to about 300 megapascal. We are using about, I would say, a dozen applications. Roof bow, rocker reinforcement, shotgun, all our extrusion. And we have a roof rail, which is a signature of our design at Ford Motor Company. We are using a tube that starts from the base of the A-pillar all the way to the roof rail over the rear door. And in this case, we are also hydroforming it, and it's a signature of our design. We are using that on the CD car and on our truck before. The difference, of course, is at this time we use an aluminum extrusion. The big benefits of aluminum is that you don't need to form first a sheet like we do that in steel, and then whole form into a tube and then hydroform. You can take the ingot, directly get an extrusion and then hydroform. And we are using that in our body structure very efficiently, and that's one of the technology that allows us to generate a 45% weight savings on the carryover steel structure.
Dr. Barthelemy, it seems aluminum has been in Ford Motor Company's plants for some time, and it's now proving to be the material of choice, enabling you to provide your customers with the vehicle performance they desire.
Definitively, the application of the aluminum show what we can do. When we need to do that for our customer, we will be using the right material, and the aluminum for the F-150 was a perfect material for us to use for our customer. But definitively, as I see in the future in the automotive field, an increase in the aluminum usage has the requirement for lightening and weight savings, is getting higher and higher as we continue to increase, the complexity of our vehicle and the complexity of the safety requirement that we need to achieve on our vehicle. So to offset the natural weight increase, lightweight materials such as aluminum has got a great place in the future of the automotive industry.
Our guest today has been Dr. Bruno Barthelemy, Ford Motor Company's Chief Engineer for Body Enclosures. I'm Scott Drake. Thanks for watching the Aluminum Channel.